Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the types of inheritance in Java. We have already learned about the inheritance. Inheritance is about acquiring the properties of one class into an another class. Okay. So now we will see the types of inheritance. There are five types of inheritance in Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical, multiple, and hybrid inheritance. Let's have a look at the single inheritance. Yes, in last video, we learned about the inheritance, and it is as same as that. In single inheritance, there is one parent class and one is child class, and this child class is derived from parent class. So we can say that child class can only be derived from one parent class. Then this is called single inheritance. For example, if we have a look at this, see, this is a class of cell phone, this is a class of smartphone. We can say that smartphone is derived from cell phone. So all the properties and behavior of cell phone will be accessible in this. These features are accessible in smartphone. This is what we call single inheritance. Now we will learn about the multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance means this is our child class. Now you can see this is made up of this class and this is made up of this class. So we can say that we have two parent class, right? The properties and behavior of A and B will be accessible in C class. Yes, right? We are saying that this C is a derived class and it is inheriting the properties of A and B also. Okay, it means that we are having they are having two parent class. So let's have a look at an example. See, we have a cell phone class and we have a smartphone class. Now we will make tablet class. This is a class of tablet. This tablet class is inheriting the properties of smartphone, and smartphone is already inheriting the properties of cell phone. So we can say that tablet class is inheriting the properties of both smartphone and cell phone also, right? So it means it is having two parent class. In cell phone we can make call and message, we can do use of camera, internet and music in smartphone, but in tablet we can also use pen. Yeah, in tablet we can use pen to make notes in its screen, right? This is what we call multi-level inheritance. Now we will move to the third type of inheritance, that is hierarchical inheritance. See, in this there is one base class, we have only one base class, and this the properties of this class will be inherited into three classes: 1, 2, and 3. It means that we can say B, C, and D class is inheriting the properties of class A, right? Like more than one classes are inheriting the properties of only one parent class. So we can simply say that this is a parent, right? This is a parent. It has three children. It has three children. This is called hierarchical inheritance. Let's understand this with an example of this. Suppose there is a student class and let it be parent class. This is a student, that is our parent class. Listen, this is very simple. Just assume it like single inheritance. Okay, we will be having only single inheritance here. This course class will have access to student because we want to know which student is accessible to which course. So this is inheriting the student. Okay, admin is inheriting a student so that we can know about the fees structure of every student. Clubs, there are many clubs in school and colleges like IT clubs, dance club, singing club. They also want to access the information of student. So we can say that very simple, this class this class is inheriting the student class, admin is also inheriting the student, and clubs is also inheriting the student class. Okay, now let's understand both these inheritance with an example of code. Okay, now we will come into this our. Now I will open. Yes, here we will remove this object. See, we have already class cell phone here. We have already class smartphone. Now we are looking at the example of. Now we will make a class tablet that extends smartphone class, and we will have one function that is public called use pen. We will print here. We can use pen. We can use pen to make notes. See, we can use pen to make notes. Now I will make an object of tablet. That will be T. Here we have not put dashes. Let's not forget to do so. Now one tablet object is made. Now I can call all functions from T, like we can make call, send message, take pictures, use internet, and also use pen. See, now I will make phone call. If I run this, what will happen? Let's see. This, yeah, we are able to use pen, that is a function of tablet, but we are also able to make phone call, that is a function of cell phone. It means here multi-level inheritance is achieved. Now we will understand hierarchical inheritance. Okay, I will remove all these classes here, and I will make new class student. We will make new class here, public class student, like this. Now we will, let's remove this also. I will take the student name as string name. Let's make it public so that it can be inherited. It is public here. Now I will put it as Aman. So let's keep it John. Now we will write a function here, public void print name, get name. This function will print the name of student. SOUT. Name is A. Now I will make another class of class admin. that extends student class. And now here we will we will show the fees of student. I will just print the name of student like this name. Yeah, it can be inherited like we can see here. Has to pay 10,000 $10,000. Let's keep it in dollar. Now I will make another class that will be course that extends student again. And now we will make one function that will be get course. It will print student is enrolled in enrolled in computer science course. Now here you can see this is a class student where we have the name of a student that is John, and we have made another class admin that extend student, and we have made another class course that extend student again. So it means that we can say two classes are inheriting from same one class, or we can say student has two children class. Now I will make the object of course that is C and new course, and I will also make the object of admin that will be a new admin. Now with C dot we can also get name of the student and course of the student. I will write here this, and now I will from A that is admin class. We are getting two functions here that is get fees and get name, right? Let's run this code and see what will be the output. Yes, John is enrolled in CS course. It shows that course is inheriting the properties of student, and admin class is also inheriting the properties of student. This is how we can achieve hierarchical inheritance. Now we will see about the multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance in next videos, because we cannot achieve multiple inheritance without using of interfaces, and we will also learn the concept of interface in next video. Thank you for watching this video.